How to find and see taxes page on Patreon. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you where to find taxes page easy and fast. So this video is kinda so easy, so please follow with me. First thing, go to patreon.com and log into your account. Now go right here, click on income, and then go down here, you will find taxes. Click on it and congratulations, this is the taxes page. Please, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the very end. See you later.